Kiliar Saab, he just came to me and he said, I can announce $1,000 for you, sir. You know, $1,000 from Judge Association of Canada. You know, from Judge Association of Canada, $1,000. If anyone else want to donate, please feel free. Thank you. Okay. Yeah, so sorry, the donation has to be like a personal, not from any company or like any organizations. So okay, so $1,000 from us.
Okay. From the board.
From the board, yeah. So please donate Boni Kroumbie. She is the best mayor, and Mrs. Saga is the best, one of the best city, and we are very proud resident. We are living in Mrs. Proudly, when people ask, we tell them, we live in Mississauga, you know. So thank you so much, Mayor. You did so much, and we expect from you, even in the future, that you will make this city more beautiful and better living the Mississauga. Thank you so much.